Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Excel to N8N. First, open N8N. You can continue with an existing workflow or simply create a new one. Next, add a new node to your workflow. In the node search bar, type Excel, then select Microsoft Excel 365. Once the node is added, you'll see several available actions. Choose the action that fits your goal. For this example, I'll select Append Rows to Table. You can always pick a different action depending on what you want your workflow to do. Now, you'll see a section called Credentials. Click Select Credential, then choose Create New Credential. Next, click Connect My Account. A Microsoft login window will appear. Sign in using your Microsoft email and password. If you're already logged in, it may automatically detect your account. After signing in, Microsoft will ask for permissions. Click Accept to allow N8N to connect to your Excel account. Once that's done, you'll see a message saying Connection Successful, and the window will close. Your Excel credentials are now created and ready to use. Back in the Node settings, select your newly created credentials. From here, you can choose your workbook, worksheet, and configure the operation exactly how you want. After filling in the required fields, your Excel connection is complete, and you can now automate Excel directly inside N8N. That's it. Your Excel and N8N integration is ready to go. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.